Good morning and welcome to another episode of Rubberneck Garage. This morning's going to be a little bit different. I've got a day job, so I have to go pick up a sign on a house that I just closed, and then I have to go pick up some glue and some things from Home Depot in order to finish this project. Because as you can see right now, I actually cut where the seams are, and I just need to make sure that these seams stay where they're at. So the plan is to go pick up probably glue with a brush or something and brush those edges so that they stay folded. But other than that, going to the gym. I'll be here a little bit later, but I'll catch you when I get here. Today I'm going to take the Capri. It's got the biggest hatch, and the things I need to pick up will fit perfectly in there. So let's go for a ride. What's that? Yeah.
What are you running in here?
So it's got a M90 supercharger,
Holy shit, dude.
but it's all side wound.
I fucking hear it rolling up. I'm like, that is the supercharger.
Yeah.
That bitch.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
But it's also, I've got a top mounted intercooler, so I ran that the way you run on like Subarus and stuff.
Yeah. Holy shit, dude.
Yeah. So it sounds pretty ridiculous. It's
That's
more than
badass,
it is.
dude. What are you pulling in this?
So I've never dynoed it, but I run 12.2 at 118 down in Tucson, so that's at 2200 elevation. So
It sounds beautiful, dude.
Thanks, man.
This is a dream car of mine. So I saw this. I was like, hold up.
thanks, man.
I've always
Appreciate
wanted one of
it.
these fastbacks, dude.
Yeah, they're fun, man, and they're easy to work on, and I mean the parts are everywhere
And
for
it's all
them.
fucking torn out and everything.
Oh
dude.
yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. Enjoy it. Holy shit.
Thanks, man. after. That'll work. I went to the gym, I went ahead and picked up my sign, I ran all the errands I had to, did the stuff that I have to do because it's part of my job on a daily basis. Now I am going for a hike, and the reason why I'm doing this and what this has to do with anything with cars is sitting down in that chair killed my back. And if anyone knows what it's like to have lower back pain after sitting in chair, it's not fun. The gym helped out. I'm going on one of my favorite hikes right now, and this just loosens me up. It makes me feel so much better. Going up the mountain, then I'm going to come back down and get started again. But I don't have much left on the car. Really, it's just a few more stickers, and then I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that everything's glued down and that it's going to stay. I went and picked up some oil, what else, some zinc additive, just some other accoutrement to get the whole thing changed out and ready for the trip down to Phoenix tomorrow. So other than that, I'll see you when I'm down the mountain. So I'm back to the house, got done with my hike, got done working out, got done loosening my body again so I can go ahead and sit down and bend over for another couple hours. That sounds bad, bending over for like a couple hours. So I can go ahead and finish stickering. That's going to be pretty quick. Once I do that, then I'm going to start getting everything prepped for the graphics to be laid. I'll save you the pain of going through that again, watch me clear coat. I'll do it all just kind of fast motion, get it knocked out within the next, however long. Not a big deal, but that's what's coming up in the next hour or so is just me doing that. And then once I get that all finished, then I'll go ahead and start on graphicing and getting all the touch-ups and all the paint touch-ups and all the other fun stuff. So I'll get this car driving and operational by tonight when I've got to fly on when we're going down to Phoenix. happened today. I got the entire car stickered. I got all the graphics on. The things I didn't get done, and I'm still gonna go to Phoenix tomorrow morning, is I didn't get to road test the car. I didn't get to change the oil in the car. The oil it's at the right level, so I did buy oil and bought all the things that I'm gonna need to change it. I'm gonna bring those down with me to Phoenix so that it's done before I go back up the hill. The other things that I didn't get done was I didn't get to glue the edges where the joints meet. So I brought all the stuff with me. I'm gonna touch up, paint a couple things, do a couple other things while I'm down there, but the car is complete. It's too dark to show you, so tomorrow morning when it's light, we'll go and do a walk around. Alright, catch you in the morning. So it's super early the next morning. I'm going to end the episode now. I'll start the next episode with us doing a walk around on this vehicle. But other than that, keep turning heads every day. Have a great day.